Hi, my name is Alex from AFG Services. We just finished building our home. Let me take you on a tour. This is a 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom home. This is the entryway to the home. It features wainscoting using Intrim moldings. The moldings are used throughout all the common areas to create this wainscoting. So I just want to talk to you a little bit about the architraves and skirtings we've chosen. The skirtings are 230 mil, it's SK433, and the architrave is 90 mil SK392. And if you notice, they're completely different. And the way you do that is you put a skirting block in, and that really allows you to merge two that really shouldn't go together, but when they're put together, they look spectacular. So the skirting size we chose is pretty big. It's 230 mil, and I personally really enjoy really tall skirtings, but they really only work when you have tall ceilings. We have 2.7 meter ceilings here, and which allows us to get away with a tall skirting. It also allows us to get away with moving the chair rail up. This chair rail is a little higher than normal. I would typically like it at about 0.9 of a meter high, but this one is at just about a meter. And but once again, it's the height of the ceilings that really determine where you're gonna put your chair rail. I chose a chair rail that is in your Hamptons range, and the inlay I made custom. This inlay I designed myself. I do that a lot for customers when they want something bespoke. Yeah, this room is the media room or theater. It was a different beast entirely because of how we wanted to approach it. We wanted it to be a slightly different style of wainscoting than the rest of the house. So what we did was we changed up the sizes of the boxes. So what we did was we did a small box, large box, small box, large box, and we did that throughout all the walls. And it really makes it stand out and makes it a feature, not just another room with wainscoting. No, it actually gives it a different flavor. That crown molding is, I think, CM20 from Intrim, and it's a beautiful crown molding. It's, I think, a 90 mil molding, and it works perfectly in these coffers. So, yeah, we love it. We used CM41 as the crown molding throughout the whole house. It's a beautiful, beautiful crown molding that really has some features to it, but also isn't overbearing. It's not massive, it just has the right amount of detail to really stand out. Wainscoting on a staircase is, if you're putting it in all the common areas, I would always put it on a staircase, including the landings. It really, really makes a stairwell stand out and make it spectacular. The family room, this is where I would hang out if I had my family here. It's a lot warmer than any other room, and you have a nice view of the street, the rest of the world, to see what's going on. So this is definitely where I would be with my family. All right, so this is the Jack and Jill bedrooms. It's basically just 2 bedrooms joined by a bathroom. They are mirrored pretty much. They have a desk, a walk-through wardrobe, and they share a bathroom, which is perfect for kids about the same age, sisters, brothers, twins, whatever. And yeah, it's a design feature that we came up with to maximize space. These frames are made with Intrim's, it's actually a chair rail from Intrim that we used. So to make frames from moldings, it really personalizes them and makes them special. I work with a lot of clients, and often they can't visualize what is actually going to go on their walls. So I usually go to their home, we'll have a consult, and we'll decide what moldings would look good in their home. And the great thing about Intrim is that they will ship you samples. So this is what you'll get in the mail. You get a box from Intrim with your samples. You'll open it up and you get this beautiful wrapping. And here's what you'll get. Your samples beautifully packaged, ready to go with identifying numbers on them, so you know what you're getting, you know what you're going to install, and you know how to order. To make your interior spectacular, ask your builder for Intrim moldings.